friends, I'm MasterChef Parikshet. Tonight, get fun run club, and I'm going to make a tangy and a healthy snack for all of you. So we need Foxnuts. So I named it on my own, Tangy Foxnuts. So we obviously need Foxnuts. And we need an empty bowl. And we need boiled potatoes and onion and coriander dip, tamarind dip, fresh coriander and spicy and crunchy snack and roasted peanuts. And we need black salt and mango powder. And we need roasted foxnuts. It's pretty healthy. And roasted foxnuts. And hence, did you know? Do you know what is this? This is lime juice and raw mango juice. And let's start making. I'm going to put in some boiled potatoes and onion in the empty bowl. Now we are going to put in some coriander dip. Now tamarind dip. Now we are going to put in some black salt and mango powder. Now we are going to mix it. Now we are going to mix it up. Mix it up. Now I'm going to put this into the foxnuts. Now we are going to mix it up. That's it. Now we are going to put in some roasted peanuts. Now we are going to put in some crunchy and spicy snacks. Now we are going to put in lime juice and the raw mango juice. Now we are going to put in some more black salt and then powder. Fresh coriander. This is nice, friends. Well, this is a healthy snack. My mom also loves foxnuts. Bye.